If you're in a hurry, my pick for the best hand crank emergency flashlight is the Synergy Lifelight Multi-Tool Emergency Hand Crank Flashlight. Every emergency kit needs to be stocked with more than one hand crank emergency flashlight for a number of reasons that you can probably think of and many more that you can't. Emergencies are always unexpected and often undefined. Modern day examples include Hurricane Katrina and Maria, and in Alaska, the 1964 earthquake still resonates with people in my world to this day. Here are some of my favorite picks for hand crank emergency flashlights. The first one is Streamlight 9540 Survivor 175 Lumen. Rubber dome push button switch, easy to use with gloves. Rechargeable nickel cadmium battery is available, also accepts 4 AA alkaline batteries. C4 LED with high, low emergency flash and moonlight modes. High for a super bright beam that pierces through smoke, 41,000 candela, 175 lumens, 405 meter beam distance, runs 3.5 hours, runs 4 hours. The second one is Synergy Lifelight Multi-Tool Emergency Hand Crank. Emergency multifunctional flashlight, radio and safety tool for car, home, camping, hunting and fishing. Hand crank dynamo system is available. Charge internal battery to operate the torch, beacon and USB charger. Safely and easily break windows in emergency situations. Seatbelt cutter is available. Protected razor sharp blade. USB charging, dynamo cranking, generates 5 volt, 350 mA power to standard USB port. The third one is Goal Zero Torch 250. Built-in solar panel, USB charging cable and hand crank for light anywhere. Multiple light options that allow to use as a 250 total lumen output flashlight, floodlight or red emergency light. Save on power with bright and half bright modes. Long-lasting advanced lithium 440 mAh battery and integrated USB port charges phones and boosts tablets to stay connected. The runtime is 7 to 48 hours. The fourth one is SK Portable Emergency Weather Radio. The powerful 1000 mAh battery can be charged via a USB cable, the solar panel or the hard crank. Simply plug your phone or other small electronics into the USB port of this hand crank radio for some extra juice. Hurricanes, tornadoes, rainstorms, fires and more, the SK Weather Radio will keep your family safe through it all. The rugged design is both durable and water resistant and can withstand even the harshest of conditions. Don't let the dark get you down. The 3-watt built-in flashlight will cut through the blackness and maximize visibility. This lightweight radio is a hassle-free way to listen to important weather or news. Keep it in your trunk, your suitcase or carry it by hand with the attached lanyard. It's even small enough to fit in your pocket. The last but not the least, Kaito WindUp 5 LED flashlight. It has no fabrics and totally imported. Multifunctional hand crank LED flashlight with weather radio, cell phone charger and emergency siren. Self-powered flashlight and radio for outdoor use and emergency preparedness. Super bright, long life and energy efficient 5 LED flashlight. Built-in DC 5 volt output port for charging cell phone and other compatible portable device. Built-in speaker and telescopic antenna for loud, crispy sound and razor sharp reception.